Ray Naturals Castor Oil and Coconut Oil. Ray Naturals oil is best castor oil for hair and skin. Ray Naturals castor and coconut oils are known to promote hair growth. Welcome to our channel, Hair Zone Solution. They penetrate deeper into hair follicles and promote scalp health and hair growth. Ray Naturals oil helps to moisturize, shine, nourishes hair, tames frizzy hair and repairs damaged hair. Regular use of this oil helps to promote thick eyebrows and long eyelashes. Both the oils are best as they are cold pressed and retains all the natural vitamins and minerals. Ray Naturals Castor Oil and Coconut Oil. Ray Naturals oil is best castor oil for hair and skin. Ray Naturals Castor Oil and Coconut Oil are pure and natural. They are cold pressed, unrefined, chemical free, hexane free and additive free. These oils deeply moisturize and condition hair, add strength and vibrancies, thereby promoting hair growth. Ray Naturals cold pressed castor oil is extracted from the highest quality castor seeds without applying additional heat. Ray Naturals cold pressed coconut oil is extracted from the finest coconuts with the goodness of vitamin E. Combination of castor oil and coconut oil helps in increasing hair density and repairing damaged hair. It nourishes the hair and moisturizes the scalp, further adding shine to the hair. Castor oil nourishes eyebrows, making them thicker and darker. It also helps in moisturizing eyelashes and makes them appear longer. Ray Naturals castor oil and coconut oil are rich in nutrients and minerals, strengthening the hair follicles. Strong hair follicles help in controlling hair fall and boost hair density. Take adequate quantity of Ray castor oil and Ray coconut oil. Mix it. No need to heat the oils as our oils are cold pressed oils. Ray Naturals castor oil and coconut oil are chemical free, toxins free, addictive free and pure and natural. Ray Naturals oil are uniquely formulated with safe and effective ingredients to give the hair best of the care needed. Ray Naturals castor oil and coconut oil are 100% pure and natural. Ray Naturals castor oil and coconut oil. Ray Naturals oil is best castor oil for hair and skin. You will get the product link in the description box. To buy this product, just click on the link given below. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel, Hair Zone Solution.